Aisha. Thagi has to perform. Give her a big round of applause.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Sheikh Aisha. I am studying third standard in Etheram Public School. Now I am going to telling about why books better than movies. Books improve our imagination. When we read, we create pictures in our mind. Books give more information than movies. Reading improve language skills. Books help us concentrate better. We can read at own speed. Books are easy to carry anywhere. Reading develops thinking skills. Many great movies are based on books, so we should develop the habit of reading books. Thank you to all.
Can you sing, Papa?